So the first thing we get inside the box is the HomePod itself. This is the white color that I have over here. You get it in two colors, the space gray and white. So I chose the white color. So inside this we have the documentation, like the quick start guide, and warranty stuff, and we luckily get the Apple sticker, and we also get the 20-watt power adapter. As you can see, it's rated for 20 watts. So that's basically everything that is included inside the box.